Boys and girls, today it's about minus. I'm freezing my balls off, and not really anything fun to do today, so we're gonna go back to Jesse's shop. They got a couple old Detroit engines tore down. Actually, one's fairly new, but we got to do some switching because one was for a generator, the other one was out of his porter. So we're gonna go back, show you guys where the timing marks are on these engines, show you what they look like when the back cover's off of them, just to give you an idea, a little better than the pictures on Google. And they are a pretty cool engine because one, they're two-stroke, and two, they're actually like basically supercharged. The old school gear driven blower is basically your modern day supercharger today, so I always love being around different engines and stuff. So we'll get down to it, jump in the old Chevy, head back, and as you can see, it's blowing like old hell. It's snowing. Not a very nice day out. I think it's like minus 28 with the wind chill. When that truck says anything lower than minus 8, it's cold, boys and girls. Still on the floor.
I don't have my air vent open enough. That's why.
You got a spilly sheet for that?
Oh, fuck off.
Gotta fill out the chemical spill sheet. What's that, the MSD? Oh, there's a little drip. Stand back, boys. Stand back, it's gonna blow.
No more commercials for Shane's chicken. And fire!
Alright guys, today we're tearing down some Detroit diesels. Old 3-cylinder 2-stroke engines. And we're going to show you the timing marks and where they're at and how to line them up. So on the crank, you're going to see RA circle A. You want the triangle off the intermediate gear to be on the circle. Now keep in mind, sometimes this intermediate gear gets pulled and those marks may not be lined up, so don't confuse yourself with that. The second part, the other notch on the intermediate shaft, or the triangle circle, should line up with the circle on the cam gear. But in the center of the two cam gears, you want the circles to meet. Your triangles should point outward. That's how this is timed up. As for the blower, that doesn't matter. That's its own timing and its own units. It just runs off of this for its power, so you don't have to worry about that lining up. Same as the governor. And other than that, this is pretty much how it is. I'll show you the blower motor. Timing on the blower motor, all that matters is that it's dot to dot, circle to circle. That's it. Once that's done, bolt it on, doesn't matter where it sits. So you've got a low hour, like 100 hours in this thing. This old girl has been beat and put through the paces. And now a commercial from Jesse.
Klondike Advanced Formula, brake flash. You want grease down fast? Just hit it with brake flash.
So what we're doing, guys, this motor come out of a generator, or what they call a gen set. That motor's out of his, what, 230 Timberjack? Yeah. So the issue is we had different size flywheels, different size back housings, whatever you want to call it.
This plate needs to be different.
Long story short, we got to change this backing plate, so we're digging pretty deep here. We had to pull these top camshaft gears with a puller. There is a Woodruff key in there. Ours happen to stick in, but a lot of times they don't, so if you're doing this, keep that in mind. And other than that, we're either going to flip this plate, if that's possible, or we're just going to take the plate off of that engine and switch it. But we were hoping this was just going to be a drop in and go. It's never that way.
Turned into a big project. Yeah.
And now another commercial from Jesse.
Rusty bolt got you down? KP 53 penetrating fluid. If it don't fit, just wait a little bit. Motor medic. Motor in a fart and a cold start, just grab some Insta Start.